Okay, so I'm pulling questions from iExcel, straight from iExcel. So here we go. I've got my graph, and I need to know what the rate of change is. So this is going to be a point here. I need to identify points. I got a point there, and I got a point here. Okay, so my points are, when I look at a point, it's X, Y. Okay. So I have 0, 10. And then I have over 20 up 40. So I have 20, 40. Okay, so the way I was showing you, let me erase that a little bit. Okay. The way I was showing you in class was plug this into the formula. So the formula is m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Okay, so this is going to be my first set of points, and this is my second set of points. Okay, so I need to plug in m equals 40 minus 10 over 20 minus 0. Okay, then I need to simplify. So I have 30 over 20. This can be simplified further if I divide the numerator and denominator by 10. I have 3 over 2, okay? So that's going to be my solution there. And I can double check this, and honestly, this is the easier way if I go this route. I have my points already on my graph. I want to know the distance of y, my y values, okay? So when we're looking at slope, or the rate of change, they all come with different names. So, and it means the same exact thing. We're looking for y over x, okay? So looking at y, the difference between this is 3, okay? And then when we're looking at x, we want to know the difference between these two, which is 20, and it's just 2, okay? So that's either how I can check or how I can get my answer. So let's go over here. All right, so I need a very prominent point, okay? So I have a point at 2060. Okay, and then I have a point at 6070. So instead of doing my formula, I'm just going to go with my y over x. This is slope, direct variation, constant rate of change. It's all the same thing, okay? I just want to know the distance from y over x. So I have from 70 to 60, which is 10, okay? And then I have from 20 to 60, which is 40, okay? And this can be simplified further. So I do divide by 10, and I get 1/4, okay? So this graph, this line is consistently going up 1 over 4, up 1 over 4, up 1 over 4. So you can predict how far this graph is going to go or where it's going to go for its whole life, okay? So next, I got some points. I'll keep this color. So I got 0, 20, and then another point here. I want to know the distance from y over x. Okay, so I've got from 20 to 40, and that is 20. And then I want to know from 0 to 10, and that is 10. Okay, so this can be simplified further. Divide by 10, and then I get 2 over 1, which is just 2, okay? So I can predict where this graph is going to go because it's going to go up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, okay? And I can predict that its whole life, okay?